Welcome! Let's dive right into choosing the absolute best flame-retardant clothing for your crew.
Workplace fires are a massive threat. But honestly, is your current gear genuinely up to standard? Driven by strict safety rules, this market is actually growing at 5.2% every single year. It's evolving fast too. We're seeing a huge shift toward eco-friendly, halogen-free materials and reactive flame retardants. For materials, you've got inherently fire-resistant fibers like aramids going against chemically treated, super comfortable cotton. But hey, modern gear goes further, packing in anti-static conductive fibers plus serious water and chemical resistance. Even the structural design matters. Close-fit cuts prevent machinery entanglement, while reflective markings guarantee vital low-light visibility. Now, compliance is totally non-negotiable. You absolutely must match specific safety standards directly to your exact industry hazards. Like ISO 11612 handles moderate heat, whereas EN 469 and NFPA 2112 are mandatory for extreme flash fires. But remember, safety is about people. If workers aren't comfortable, they simply aren't going to comply. Right? If the gear isn't breathable or flexible enough for demanding tasks, your team won't wear it. To keep that protection strong, ditch the harsh detergents and bleach. Always use tailored industrial laundering instead. Built-in abrasion resistance stops dangerous fraying, and get this, stain-resistant finishes actually cut down required washing frequencies. So, how do you nail these criteria? Enter Be Good Techs. They're backed by 17 years of intense research. They deliver a truly comprehensive protective shield, effortlessly combining heavy-duty fire, antibacterial, and water resistance. Unlike standard gear, their clever antimicrobial treatments stop bacteria growth, preventing skin irritation during super sweaty shifts. Plus, their advanced fabrics won't melt or drip, ensuring strict adherence to global standards like NFPA 2112. Take a hard look at your current workwear. Is it genuinely protecting your team, or just checking a box?